How to fix Grok AI spicy mode not working. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you troubleshooting step for you to fix spicy mode not working on your Grok AI account. So this is very easy to fix. So say for example, we will enable spicy mode here. So enable spicy mode, and then once you hit on enter, even if you see this option here that says spicy mode is enabled, and as well as under your history, even if this is already enabled and if you're going to be starting to use this, it's not working. So here's how. First is pull up your account settings at the lower left and then choose on settings. Now from settings, you should be able to see options here and as well as the account that where your Grok AI was connected to. So say for example, you're connecting it into your X Twitter account. Now you just need to make sure that your X Twitter is at a legal age above 18, as well as your Grok AI account by tapping in the birth year and then go ahead and change it if it is 2000 or higher. Now next is once you've already changed that, you can go into data controls. You need to scroll down and then choose on clear cache and just simply rerun or restart the Grok AI that you're using and relog in into your account, see if it is already working. And that's how you fix Grok AI spicy mode not working.